Reiki is a universal life force energy flowing from the source of all creation. It is gentle, intelligent, and limitless. Reiki can bring balance, peace, and healing not only to ourselves, but also to animals, plants, the earth, and everything in existence. By opening ourselves to Reiki, we reconnect with this loving energy and allow it to flow through us. An attunement simply activates your natural ability to channel healing energy. This Reiki attunement is a sacred, energetic process which opens and aligns your energy channels to the universal life force, enabling you to give Reiki to yourself and others. It will help you awaken to Reiki so that it becomes part of your daily life, available whenever you place your hands with loving intention. These instructions are designed for anyone who wishes to give themselves a Reiki attunement. The most important elements are your willingness and your loving intention. Reiki is intelligent, divine energy. When you invite it in with sincerity and openness, it flows naturally where it is needed. To begin your guided self-attunement, sit quietly in a comfortable chair, your feet flat on the ground, and make sure that you won't be disturbed. Perhaps play some soft music, light a candle and some incense to create a peaceful setting for this very special ceremony. Place your hands on your lap, palms facing upwards, open to the universe. Close your eyes and take 3 deep, slow breaths. With each exhale, release tension. You may want to ask for the presence of your guides and angels to support you at this special time. Say silently or out loud, "I now open myself fully to receive this Reiki attunement. May divine love and wisdom guide this process." And now relax. Take a deep breath. Imagine a golden white stream of energy flowing down over your head, flowing around your body and down through your body, surrounding and filling you with divine light. This energy is preparing and opening your channel to the source of Reiki. Place your hands over your heart and breathe. Whisper inwardly, "I am ready to receive." As you breathe, imagine a radiant beam of violet-white energy flowing from above your head and filling your body with light. See this light clearing any tension, stress, or fear that might get in the way, allowing a clear channel for the Reiki energy to move through you. The light flows from the crown, through the center of your head, down into your throat, and into your heart. You are now open and ready to receive your Reiki attunement. Imagine a bright column of Reiki energy descending from above, entering through the crown of your head, into your heart, and flowing through every cell of your body. Feel waves of this healing energy filling your mind, your heart, and your spirit. Allow it to move gently down through your central channel next to your spine, flowing into your entire being. Bring your hands together in prayer position at your heart. Now slowly lift them to rest on top of your head if you can, otherwise allow them to rest at your heart. Feel your hands glowing, filled with Reiki light, and sense this energy flowing from your hands into your crown, into your mind, and into your heart. When you're ready, lower your hands gently back in front of your heart, resting there in gratitude. And to empower your hands, place your hands over your forehead, your third eye, Imagine a bright light of Reiki entering, awakening your inner vision. Now open your hands in front of you, palms facing upwards. See streams of golden Reiki energy pouring into your palms, filling them with warmth and tingling with life. Reiki life. Place your hands on your lap, palms facing upwards. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, blow gently across your hands. Imagine the Reiki light sealing into them, empowering them as channels for healing. Bring your hands back to prayer position at your heart. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, blow gently across your hands again. Imagine the Reiki love sealing into them, empowering them as loving channels for healing. Return your hands to rest comfortably on your lap. Now bring your awareness to the base of your spine. Imagine a glowing red ball of light there, and into it, repeat this affirmation 3 times in your mind as you imagine it active and empowered in the glowing red ball of light. I am a confident and loving Reiki practitioner. I use Reiki for the highest good of all. I am a confident and loving Reiki practitioner. I use Reiki for the highest good of all. I am a confident and loving Reiki practitioner. I use Reiki for the highest good of all. Now place your hands gently at the back of your head, the base of your skull, or ask your special angel or guide to do it for you. Silently affirm, I now seal this process with divine love and wisdom. See a radiant door of light closing and locking, safely sealing your connection with Reiki. Place your hands in prayer position at your heart and whisper inwardly, I am blessed by this process, and I bless all beings with love. Imagine yourself surrounded by a golden white ball of Reiki energy, holding you in peace and love. See roots of light grounding you deeply into the earth, stabilizing and integrating this attunement. And give thanks. Thank you, Reiki. Thank you, Divine Source. Thank you to all involved. Sit for a few quiet moments, simply resting in the glow of Reiki energy. When you're ready, open your eyes slowly, stretch your body gently, drink a glass of water to ground and fully return to this present moment. And from now on, Reiki flows through you. Whenever you place your hands with intention, Reiki will get to work, bringing love, balance and healing for the highest good of all. Repeat this process, this attunement, as often as you want to continue to strengthen your connection to the source of Reiki and your ability to use its loving power. And when you're ready, go to the Reiki Part 2 video, a beginner's guide using Reiki for yourself and others, and follow the simple steps to use this wonderful energy. Please follow the links in the description for the full 1-hour Reiki guided self-treatment audio download and more. If this light transmission touched your soul, please like, comment and subscribe to support this sacred channel. Sharing helps more people discover this gentle power of healing and transformation. Tap the bell to receive updates on all new meditations, insights, and affirmations infused with angelic light and higher consciousness. Thank you for walking this path with me. You are the light, clearer and more at peace than ever before.